Biodiversity conservation is a common challenge concerning the future for all humanity. As a national strategy in China, concrete actions are being taken to foster harmonious coexistence between humanity and nature. As the world's largest hydropower developer and operator and a leading clean energy and ecological conservation enterprise in China, China Three Gorges Corporation (CTG) integrates biodiversity protection across all business segments and leverages its diversified clean energy portfolio to drive sustainable development. We harness the comprehensive benefits of Cascade Hydropower Complex, ensuring the water security of Yangtze River through scientific regulation while fostering harmony between humanity and water. We build and operate the world's largest clean energy corridor, providing low-carbon electricity to support China's carbon peaking and neutrality goals. We are vigorously developing onshore wind, offshore wind, and solar PV to accelerate the transition toward a green and low-carbon energy system. We're deeply involved in the joint protection of the Yangtze River, systematically advancing water resource security, water environment management, and aquatic ecological restoration, so as to ensure the everlasting vitality of our mother river. Through comprehensive green initiatives, CTG has laid a solid ecological foundation and provided robust industrial support for biodiversity conservation. CTG believes that biodiversity protection lies not only in the scale of its clean energy development, but also in the meticulous protection of every living species. To protect the Yangtze River and the mountains, rivers, lakes, and seas that extend far and beyond, we transform the philosophy of ecological priority and green development into concrete conservation actions. We're committed to restoring river connectivity and improving environmental conditions by decommissioning small hydropower stations on tributaries and constructing fish lifts, thereby reopening migration routes for native fish species. We have pioneered the implementation of joint ecological operation of cascade reservoirs, creating hydrological conditions suitable for fish spawning. As a result, the breeding scale of the 4 major Chinese carps has rebounded to a historic high. We have established multiple fish conservation bases across the Yangtze River basin and achieved breakthroughs in critical artificial breeding technologies for endangered species such as the Chinese sturgeon and Yangtze sturgeon. We have built the most comprehensive artificial breeding and conservation system for rare fish in China, with over 31 million rare endemic fish released, effectively facilitating the recovery of wild populations. Along the Yangtze River, we have built a comprehensive system of rare plant conservation, covering species preservation to artificial propagation and reintroduction. Through years of field surveys and monitoring, we have documented and protected 2,130 rare endemic plant species. We have overcome propagation challenges for nearly 100 plants, producing more than 320,000 healthy seedlings. Over 63,000 endangered plants have been reintroduced into their natural habitats. Rare plant gardens and protected zones are built for critically small populations. We have also transformed degraded sites, such as construction waste dumps, into thriving ecosystems in the Three Gorges Dam area. In the offshore energy sector, we're dedicated to developing the offshore wind power plus marine ranch model. Wind turbine foundations are used to build artificial reefs, providing habitats and shelter for marine life, and the number of fish species in wind farm waters has increased significantly. We promote integrated solar PV plus desert control projects. Through straw checkerboard sand fixation and vegetation restoration, we have restored over 133 square kilometers of desertified land. This approach pioneers a new path that combines clean energy development with ecological restoration. We have actively participated in major international conferences and events and share our experience and solutions for biodiversity conservation, including the 16th Conference of the Parties to the Convention on Biological Diversity, COP16, the 2023 World Hydropower Congress, and the 2023 World Water Resources Congress. Moving forward, CTG remains committed to the vision of a community with a shared future for humanity. We will deepen international cooperation and share the CTG experience as a model of ecological conservation with the world, contributing China's wisdom and solutions to the protection of biodiversity worldwide.